Are you ready to take your career and business to the next level? Strategy MBA, Business Strategy from Startup to CEO. This is next level business strategy training for startups, entrepreneurs and CEOs. Taught by an award-winning MBA graduate and senior investment banker. Hi, my name is John Colley and I'm thrilled to bring you this comprehensive business strategy course. I think it's the most comprehensive MBA level business strategy course you will find on Udemy. You don't have to enroll in a major business school to master business strategy. I did that for you, and it took me 2 years and thousands of pounds. I'm going to combine these MBA level business school models and frameworks with my 30 years of advisory experience to help you master business strategy. So in this course you will discover business strategy design, life cycle models, external environment analysis using PEST and PESTEL, internal external analysis using SWOT, TOES and SAW, industry and market analysis with Michael Porter's models, market growth, market share with the BCG matrix, competitive advantage, growth strategy options, competitive analysis evaluation, how to connect finance to strategy with financial modeling, and strategic planning implementation. Now, I've also included all these case studies with solutions and templates showing you how to apply these models to real-world situations. I'm really excited to bring this MBA level business strategy course to you. You can study at home, on demand and at your own pace, and with downloadable slide decks for every lecture. English not your first language? Don't worry, I have you covered. There are detailed notes on screen in every lecture to make the course easy to follow, just like this. Don't forget to check out my free preview lectures, especially the course executive summary. Click the Take This Course Now button and take the first step to taking your career to the next level. I'll see you inside the course. Strategy MBA, Business Strategy from Startup to CEO. Enroll today.